Are you tired of manually adding and removing people from your calendar invites? Or maybe you've got repeat events and the guest list is constantly changing, leaving you wishing for a less manual way to update them. Well, guess what? There is a better way, and it's called Google Groups. Hi, this is Priya from That Online Stuff, and I help small business owners with usable and practical advice for their Google Workspace setup. Okay, as always, we're going to be working in the admin console. So first things first, fire up your browser and log into admin.google.com. From here, you're going to create a Google group. When creating the group, make sure you add a group owner, i.e. yourself. Make the group restricted and limit who can join the group to only invited users. Once you've created your group, it's time to add your members. These were the people who'll be invited to the event. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on how many people you're adding and whether they're primarily inside or outside your business. If you've only got a handful of people to add and some of them are external to your business, the simplest way is just to add them manually right into the group. The second option is if everyone you're adding is already part of your business, and again, there's only a few people to add. To add users this way, go to Directory, Users, select the members that will be added to the group, click on More Options, Add selected users to group. The final option is to use a bulk upload if you've got a large number of people, whether they're internal or external to your organization. To do this, go to Directory, Groups, and then click on the name of the group. Click on Bulk Upload Members. And then you'll want to attach a CSV file with the details. If you've not done this before, download a blank CSV template first, which will have all the details that you need to populate the file. The 3 columns that you absolutely must fill out in this template are the group email address column, the emails of the members, and then what their role is going to be in the group. In all cases, you're going to use member, but you must add your own account as the owner in order for this to work properly. Once you've created the template, go back to your group details and attach the CSV file. And just like that, all your members have been added to the group. Now, for using this when creating a calendar invitation. And as you can see, the invitation has been sent to the group members, in this case, one of the external accounts. And it's also shown up on their calendar. But what if someone leaves or their role changes and they no longer need to be on the invitation list? Well, this is where the power of Google Groups really comes to the fore. Just go back into your Google group, and as a reminder, that's the admin console, directory, groups, and then click on Manage Members. Remove the member that no longer needs to attend these invitations. And as you can see, they are no longer invited to any of the meetings. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you streamline your calendar invitations and saves you a ton of time in your small business. And remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more Google Workspace tips specifically designed for small business owners.